13. Sean. Sean, my man. Ali. Tubak. Wala, reverse. Majula.
Enjoy the game, huh? Later you can join, huh? You wanna join, right?
Hinarapon na naman niya. Uy. Grabe talon. Very explosive. Itong bata na yun, ah. Polly. Mr. Beanstalk. Sumubok sa dos. Boarding. Dabu. Okay. KD. Dabu. KD. Big boy. Sean, 4-2. Okay. Let's go. Uniqlo. Ollie, Beanstalk. Mr. Beanstalk. Nice pass. Oh, they cannot handle it. Loizaga. KD. KD. Oh, what a move. Uno step. Wow. Very fast. So agile, right? Your classmate? How old is this guy? 18?
Yeah.
Shit. So athletic, you know? Just a little more practice, he'll be so good, you know?
Yeah. He never played for 1 month.
Huh? Never played for 1 month?
Yeah, he stopped basketball for 1 month.
Okay. Varsity? High school?
Huh?
He played varsity in high school? No. But he's well athletic, you know? Yeah. Pro caliber, you know? Has the height also. Loizaga. Dabu. Still ni Loizaga. Nagaw ni Loizaga. Teardrop ni Loizaga. Boarding. Kate Cunningham. Naging kay Paul. Kay Sean. No look pass. Sean. Scoring machine. Scoring machine. The scoring machine. Boy, crossover. What a clear crossover. Wow. I like that play. Hali, Manny. Manny no good. Dabu. Crossover. Wow. Paul Kwong. Uncle. Uncle is dropped. Already Uncle. Sean. Scoring machine. Hali. Pinasa. Open shot. Sean. Rebound. Spacey. Ali. Wow, what a rebound. Short. Dabu. Alright, Dabu. Wow, finger roll. Nice lay-in. What's the score? Sean, scoring machine. No good. Rebound. Paul Kwong, take it control. Take over, Paul. Make it slow. From downtown, crossover. Wow, nice teardrop. Dabu, big guy. Hop, naiwan ang bola. Paul, no look pass sa kaliwa. Uy, nice fake. Boarding. Basket yun. Oh. All the way. Foul. Kate Cunningham. Taas na kamay. Dabu. KD, tagilid. Ay, kampi niya pala, his teammate. Tumatawag. Someone is calling me. Volpong, nice dish. Nice pasa. Oy! May nagkaraposit.